We're going on a tour.
And our itinerary for today, the first stop, almost 1 hour. We will drop everyone at the gas station for the toilet break, or you can buy some drink, coffee or water. And after that, we directly to the original floating market in Thailand. Because it's the first time for you follow with the main point why the people want to visit at the floating market or the railway market. And when you get there, maybe it's not your type, but for explore with the experience, you can get the answer you like or don't like. And in this moment, in the high season in Thailand between October, and in this moment, welcome to the winter time. Winter time, I swear.
This is
Winter time. In Bangkok, we have so many kind of the public transportation. The first one, Sky Train, we call BTS. The second one, Subway Train, we call and the number. Because each king has very long name. For example, the present king, King Rama X. His name is พระบาทสมเด็จพระเจ้าอยู่หัวมหาวชิราลงกรณ์บดินทรเทพยวรางกูล King Rama X. King Rama X. In Thailand, we have we will separate 4 period, 4 capital cities.
Atilit, yung ganito mo. Ayun, okay. Mag-washroom daw. Huwag na daw tayong bumili dito. Mas mura. At Hill, meron din silang parang gas station dito sa highway. Ano. Tapos meron din sila daw KFC. Tapos meron din sila daw Starbucks. Dapat pala itong bubukarin na.
In Bangkok, no more factory. No more factory, and the containers or the trucks can go inside Bangkok area just only border or the night time and the holiday. That's it. Because about the pollution and the traffic. Everywhere in Thailand have 7-Eleven. Baby elephant. ช้างน้อย baby elephant. Just looking for the Mr. ช้างน้อย at the meeting point. Of Thailand, especially Samui, southern style, the coconut tree, within 30 minutes, and after that you have the free time explore at the market.
We're here in the floating market. There we go! Sasayaw tayo. Eh, sasayaw. Nasakay tayo dyan. We're here in the floating market. Floating market! Floating market! Tatay! Floating market! Floating market! Huwag niyo lalabas ang kamay niyo, mahihiwa na kami.
Yes.
Iba ito yung suggestion niya, di ba?
Floating market.
Go to the float, pero wag daw tayo aking
Ay, si
bibig.
ate panoorin.
Ah!
Dati, napapanood ko lang to sa mga vlog. Ganyan, nakasakay
Ngayon,
na
kasama
ako.
na kami.
Baliktaran mo yung video mo.
Ate, uy, ba't tayo nakatabingi? Kailangan di tayo level.
Huwag mong gaganon yung cellphone mo.
Floating market. Tatay, oh. Parang bahalang sa ano, pag baha sa Laguna, ganito yung kalsada. Diba? Pag baha, ganyan lang itsura niya. Oh, tatay. Ito yung floating market. Pag baha, ganyan itsura niya. Diba, Tili?
Ano lang, parang bahalang pala.
Oh.
Ayan.
Ano ba, no? Ayan, floating market. Parang...
Oh, ang tawa naman sa katabi ko. Kaya ganyan.
Po, bumagyo lang kasi mag-hap, magdamag. Ayan, ganyan.
Bumahapon.
Naughty.
Magdamag po kasi yung ulan, kaya sumakay na lang po muna kami ng bangka para makauwi. Ay, bumangga po kami.
Yes, the food. Ayan.
Ayan po, nagtitinda sila sa...
Oy, Cebu girl, are you okay there? O yan, tuloy, wala nagbibideo sa'yo.
Ayun po, in-overtake kami.
Wala nagbibideo sa'yo, Cebu girl.
Ayan pala yun, kailangan bibili kami.
Cebu girl, pero sabi ni natin, mahal nga daw.
Ayan sila, oh, yung mga nagtitinda.
Kaso, nakita ko yan sa vlog eh, yung ito na mga prutas.
Ayun yung coconut ice.
Ice cream, yan.
Ayun pala yung coconut ice.
Try daw natin yung coconut ice cream. 60 baht daw, coconut ice cream.
Okay.
Oh, later. Are we coming back? Coconut ice. Ayun, mango sticky rice.
Thai crispy pancake.
Ang daming tinda dito. Parang ano lang to eh, yung parang kasa, parang guwagwambi na.
Yan, kung gusto ninyong magpa-picture sa mga sawa-sawa.
Sawa siya, ayan o, makatakot.
Ay, parang bawal ata.
Diviniana? Okay.
No!
No.
Kuya Doc, Kuya Hill, ayan lang. Ito ang ano, market, floating market, ayan no. Para lang guwagwang binaha. Nakabot.
Ice cream coconut. Ice cream coconut.
No. Mas mura daw dun, di ba?
Oo, kaya nga sabi niya kayo.
Ay, kagulo na kami. Siksikan kami dito. Binibidyo mo ako. Nakatamputete.
Ewan ko dyan sa camera nila.
Traffic.
Ayan ako, imagine yung kamay mo kung nakalabas dyan.
Oo.
Oh, ay.
Hindi nga daw, wala nga daw crocodile sa ano lang.
Saan may crocodile? We're here in the floating market. Floating market. Floating market. Pwede na ako ganun yun. Floating market.
Daming tinda. Oh. Ano pag-asa nila rito mga turista?
Oh. Dati we're here in the floating market. Ang ganda dito. Saya-saya. Para lang palengking binaha. Ganon. Diba, te? Parang palengking binaha lang. Ganon. Ang floating market. Asa guwagwa.
So pretty.
Yeah, so pretty.
Oh, binaha. Oh, bulang kasi magdamag.
Guwagwang binaha. Yan ang itsura ng floating market. Sabi no photos, no video.
Ano?
Wala, no photos, no video.
Tay, pakita na dito.
Floating market. Para lang guwagwang binaha. Santa Rita. Diba?
Tuwan-tuwa sa guwagwa.
Diba, te? Nakakatawa eh. Tatay, I have coconut ice cream here from Bangkok. Ice cream. This is my order, seafood fried rice. Si Ate Risa and si Ate Lynn. Tatay, we have a new friend from Cebu. Si Miss Karen. Hi, Miss Karen. We're here in floating market here in Bangkok, here in Thailand. Hey, that's mine.
They use the big umbrella, protect the sunlight with the thin fossil.
Parang. Parang. Parang.
Ito si
We are parang. Sige lang, tenasil dito ko. Sige, terak lang. Ay, ang ganda dito, te.
Ako, te.
Nakatigas
Yan, gamitin mo yan. Maganda yan.
Hello! Sabi mo, ang ganda. Ay! Nakabili yan.
Famous train. Ang laki pala.
Close.
Very close.
Sabi, present! Present! Our tour is done! We're going home. We're going back home to the hotel. Bye!